So, backed by popular demand is a 1996 International 7.3 school bus. And there's the batteries on my little sled. I just charged them up. And it's pretty cold outside. So let's see what's going to happen. This is like, I guess, the first Thursday in February of 2009. Good enough for me. The government's watching me. So let's get to business. I don't know why I'm doing this, so you better enjoy it. Man, there's a fuck of a lot of snow and it sure is cold out. Well, there's where the batteries go. Well, they're in. Let's see what's going to happen. Here we go. Snow so deep. So cold out right now. Sucks. If it starts, it'll be amazing. Oh, there's those memories again. Years ago on the school bus. Now, it's in neutral. Parking brake is off. Turn the key on. Now it's loud. Oh, its buzzer's telling me the back door's open. Just a minute. Let me close that stupid thing. Oh, man. Okay, all set. She's closed. Oh, my nose is dripping. It's so cold out. Ooh. Oh, man. Okay, I hope everybody enjoys this. It's not pleasurable for me. Why is that thing going? Oh, here we go. Oh, yes! Yes! That's so fucking cool! It starts in the cold. And it sounds perfect. Look at the muffin on my hood. That's in New York underneath that drift. What a bus! It's even got interior lights. Shut up. Oh. It doesn't even smoke. Man, if I had an asshole that big, there'd be something coming out of it more than smoke. Just looks like a gas engine running. Cool. What a wasteland. Goodbye, wolf. Does that flashing light mean the bus has been hijacked? Well, let's put her into drive and see if we can move. It's worth a try. Buzzer. Alrighty, she's a runner. Brake on. Reverse. E-brake is definitely off because that's on. Foot off the brake. Let's see if we can get unstuck. Okay, let's try forward. Reverse again. That's neutral. That door's closed. We're rocking. When this bus is a rocking, don't come a knocking. I see some spinach, but we're stuck. Forward. No, we're froze right in the drifts. Well, that's a Canadian winter for you. It sucks. You can't even go play in your bus and go pick up chicks on the beach. What a life. I wish I was in Australia right now and had a bus like this. Man, I could pack at least 48 chicks in here. Minus their clothes, of course. Well, since I proved to everybody we can't get out of here and test drive it, that's all for now, folks. Sweet.